Good morning, everybody. This is Mike. It is 8 o'clock in the morning Eastern Standard Time of January 8th. And what this video is going to be about for all of you that attended the webinar yesterday of how to access the Investors Pack trial. Okay, I will put a link. Well, actually, the link will be on the YouTube channel of how to get to the Discord group. Now, what is the Discord group? This group I created, and it's actually thanks to this guy right here. His name is shown because I didn't even know about Discord personally. But what it is, it's an area where what I'm trying to achieve for all traders out there in order to become consistent. Pinpoint your trades, consistent, exchange ideas. I do once in a while get people that are trying to sell products to me, I can teach guys how to do $15,000, give me 10%. I'm not interested in that, guys. What I'm interested in is for you guys to become independent and understand how the market works. So with that being said, I will show you where you can get these indicators for a trial for 30 days. I will be adding a link very soon with the momentum panel that I promised for all of you that have attended the webinar. And I thank you for coming to the webinar because I'm trying to reach out to people. I could actually literally shut down the channel and just trade on myself and I'm good to go. But actually what I enjoy the most is watching other traders succeed. Other traders become consistent. Other traders out there that can actually nickel and dime the major markets because it's owned by the banks. It's owned by the big institutions. We have to pay our taxes, and it's. I don't want to get too political here, but anyways, I just want to see financial freedom for you guys. Hopefully, if you guys can become consistent. So now, once you join the Discord group, most of you probably seen this welcome screen. All these people logged in yesterday. And there is one channel, which I call Investors Pack Trial. Say edit channel here. If you go on here, right on the very bottom is the file. Then you can install it. I'll create another video of how to install if you guys are having issues. But this is where you download it. You just click download. You've got every single indicator that I have created that I believe that hopefully will make you a consistent trader depending how you trade. Now I created other templates. See, I had templates for Henkinashi, October 13th. There is a Unirenko file if you don't have Unirenko. There's actually what I'll have to do is get rid of this file. Sorry guys, I need to delete that one. This is the most recent one, so this is the one I want you guys to access. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding one more channel here later on today, and it'll say Momentum Panel, which you can download. So that's where you get these files. Okay. Now the main channels that are really, or I'll call them the active ones, is General Trade Chat. General Trade Chat is where you guys go, we can exchange ideas, have some fun, post some pictures. I always, if I have good trading or bad trading, I'll throw them on there. I haven't been on for the past few weeks. I was Christmas, New Year's. And if you have any trading questions, this is what I created here. Not many people don't, they're not participating. If you don't participate, we don't all excel as traders. Now if you have an Investors Pack question about why isn't the multi-swing working, I checked out and he was correct. I have to fix it. But you can ask all these questions online and I will respond to you. If I won't respond to you, I know Jose will respond, and even Isham comes, participates in the channel as well. So that's what the main areas are. If I do an announcement such as here, I'll throw an announcement saying, Investors Pack, we throw different information out there. Okay. Now, what this will happen is if you guys are just if you are gold chatters and other people start chatting gold, you can put it in here. Oil chats, equities chat, those are the three main groups. I'll probably get rid of general here. And if you have anything about NinjaTrader programming and you need some, maybe an issue or some help, maybe you could throw a question in there and I could help you guys out. This is what it's all about. Now, what all these channels are, okay, I'll have to reactivate it. I have to get my server going again. I created within my indicators alerts to tell you when a special event is happening, such as on the time scanner saying, in about 15 minutes, there could be a buying opportunity or a selling opportunity. That's what these were created for. I was back testing it and I shut her down. Okay? This is what it's all about. And so this is why I created this. And we are building slowly but surely, a group. Not many people participate at this point in time. But you know what? The more education, the better. That's the bottom line. Now, the other thing I want to show you is, remember, to download here, you get the trial, and also after 30 days, if you decide that you would like to lease the software, you can literally go to the ABC123 Trader, right? 3 Trader. And in here, what we have on the products page, we have leasing now. Okay, let's go right here's the leasing. I have it on sale after the 1 month. By February 7th, I'm wiping that out. But once you get in it, you're fine. So what you do is, this is a monthly subscription, and you can always knock it off anytime you want. Or if you want to buy a single indicator, you can buy a single indicator. And prices always, they'll bounce around pending what's happening, okay? But if you, or, which I still have on special, it shows $1,999. All you have to do is just email me on that special, and you get 2 lifetime licenses for half the price, okay? And you get all the indicators, and you don't have to pay monthly fees and all that. But this is where you can access all our indicators, okay? Third thing, on YouTube, I'm going to go to ABC Trader. ABC Trader. Okay? I have a live stream, which I do. The last one I did was about a month ago because I said I'm shutting it down for Christmas. And then so what you can do, once you're in the ABC Trader, I have videos. I create tons of videos. I did a fundraising for Christmas of the Poor. That's a totally different topic. But what you do is, I have, as you can see, I do live streams, and people are asking me, can you show your results? I was showing my live stream trading plus results every morning, just to prove one can become a consistent trader. Now, in the playlists, I have indicators. I got to add more in here. And what is this? Someone added something there. That's weird. I'll have to check what the heck that is. Okay, on indicators, right in here, we have a whole bunch of different types of indicators that I try to teach. And I have a lot more indicators, but I need to, these are the more common ones I use. So you can go there and get a better understanding what that is. I gotta find out what the heck that is. That's weird. There should be an education playlist, not like videos. I don't know what the heck that is. Okay, so and that's basically it. And I'll turn that off here. So the bottom line is, my videos. What the heck is that? Sorry guys, I know I ramble sometimes because I just talk the way it is. So anyways, you'll see some views. I get few views, some are more, some are less, 200 here, etc., etc. But what it is, I put out these videos in order for you guys to become consistent. And that's the bottom line. And I mean, if you want to watch them, you don't want to watch them, I try to teach different strategies, such as the morning breakout that I've done a few times, my live streaming. So you have a wealth of knowledge, or not, I'll say a wealth of education here, plus the Discord group, plus if you guys, exchange ideas, all of us hopefully can be consistent. Other than that, I'm gonna turn off this video. You guys have a great day. Pinpoint your trades, trade safe. I will probably be going live this morning, but not live trading, but it's more for education for you guys so we can try to figure everything out for you guys. Other than that, take care and have a great day. Bye.